Welcome to LiciaToday. So today I'm going to be going over with you guys how you can use these printable magnetic sheets to make your own designs magnets. So in this case, I have some sticker design that I usually just sell as stickers, but a customer asked if I could make them as a magnet. So I have these two different type of magnetic sheets. This one is glossy and this is matte. I'm going to be using my Epson Ecotank 2803 printer to try to print these out. This is going to be my first time doing it. So I am going to use the glossy for this one just so I see how it looks, and then I can try the matte at a different time, but I'm going to go with the glossy for this time. So we're going to go over what printer settings that I'm going to use, and I'm going to just cut these out using some scissors because I don't want to necessarily use my Cricut right now. But if you guys are interested in seeing me do the same process and maybe do the matte stickers just to see how the design comes out on matte versus glossy, I can do this one on using the Cricut, or I do also have a Silhouette Portrait 3 that I can also use. So if you guys are interested in seeing me do that in another video, comment down below and let me know. Let's get into it. All right, so I'll link the product down in the description. So if you guys are interested in buying either this matte or glossy version, I'll link it down. But I think this is like a really good way to just do a one and done, because before I was thinking I would need to print out the stickers on the sticker paper or vinyl sticker paper, and then I'll have to attach it to a magnet, and then I'll have to cut it out, or I'll have to do like multiple steps just to get this product to work. But I like the fact that these say these are printable, and so it's just one thing you have to do. So it looks like they have like little pages in between to protect between each magnet, so that's cool. So this is how it's looking. So you can see it's shiny, and this one is pretty thin. So we'll also test it to see how the magnet works. But let me go give you guys the other magnetic sheet that I have that's adhesive, where I could stick a piece of sticker paper, the sticker design, onto it and see like how much thicker it seems. All right, so here's that adhesive magnetic sheet that I have, and it is a little bit thicker. So as you can see, like when I bend it, it kind of like barely bends, and this one is more like bendy, which is probably because it is for the printer. So let's see how it works on the printer. So let's go over to do the settings. All right, so here's my new printer setup. I have them all on this little TV stand that I used to use as for my TV, but now I'm using it for my printers. So this one is my Sublimation printer right here, and this one is just my regular sticker printer. So anyways, let's go ahead. I'm going to put this magnetic sheet into my printer, and then let's go over here. It's kind of a weird angle, but hopefully you guys can see it okay. All right, so I'm gonna put the paper type. So I'm gonna put it on glossy. Okay, so I have, like I said, my Epson Ecotank. Oh, I should correct it. It's my Ecotank 2800. My Sublimation printer is the ET2803. Either way, they're pretty much the same printer. But anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to here. I'm going to change this to be 100% because I made it the size I wanted when I made the design. So I'm going to change that to 100%. Then I'm going to go down here to printer options, and I like to use color sync. I found that is the one that matches most closely to the design I made. And then here for the media type, I'm just going to change it to Photo paper glossy. Print quality, it doesn't really tell me on there what I should do, the print quality, but I usually do normal on the glossy because it doesn't really need that much ink. So I'm going to keep it for that. We're going to try that out. I'm going to do Adobe RGB. Go here to color sync. And then for this, I'm going to change this resolution to 720 by 720 dpi. Photo paper glossy. Okay. So then I'm going to push OK, and then I'm going to go ahead and push print, and let's hope that it doesn't get jammed in the printer. Okay, so I'm about to press print, and let's see how it gets through the printer. So hopefully it doesn't get jammed. Alright, so let's hope for the best. So far it's seeming like it's printing just fine and it's not getting jammed. So let's see how the print quality comes out with those settings that I showed you. Okay, you guys, you see it coming out of the printer? I am so excited. I wasn't sure if it was going to work with the settings I used because this is my first time doing this. And I just used the same settings I would use if I was doing glossy sticker paper. And it is looking so vibrant and so good. Oh my gosh, if these stick onto the refrigerator or any of the other type of magnetic places that I could stick it on, like a little board or whatever, it's gonna be like a game changer, you guys. This is gonna be a game changer because literally you can print it out directly onto this magnetic sheet. You don't have to do any multiple steps, nothing like that. And you can cut them out using some scissors if you don't have a Cricut, which I'm about to show you after I let it dry a little bit after it's done printing. And then boom, it's ready. It's that quick and that simple. All right, you guys, so there's a bit of a glare from my light because it's right above where I'm showing you. Look how vibrant these look. Do you see this? This is a very good. Yes, I would definitely be buying more of these. Like I said, I'll try it on the mat, but this glossy one looks amazing. Look at the print quality. It is like perfection. Yeah, definitely check these out, you guys. If you guys are selling stickers and you want to turn them into a magnetic version, you can definitely buy these because they're not even that expensive, and you can have another type of offering for your shop. Or if you want to just make your own magnets at home for your refrigerator, these will be perfect if you're okay with them being on the thinner side. But yeah, so let me cut these out and yeah, let's keep it moving. So I wanted to tell you guys that these magnetic sheets, you can find these on koalagp.com if you're interested, or you can just check out my link. But anyways, I'm just gonna cut these out using my scissors. It cuts very easily. And like I said, if you guys want me to do a demonstration on how to use your Cricut or your silhouette portrait to do this, I can do that as well. But I feel like this will be a little quicker to just do it this way because I was just trying to see how it would turn out. And as you guys can see, this turned out really good. Okay, so the verdict is in. If you ever thought about making your design into magnets and you wanted a quick and easy way to do so, which doesn't cause you to have to get any new equipment, all you have to do is just buy these magnetic sheets and you can print them just like you would print your stickers, then this is a game changer. Grab these, you guys. Grab these quick. These are very good. All right, so don't mind my board. It got a bunch of stuff on here, but here's the magnet. Yes, it sticks on there. All right, so I'm gonna go try to put it on the refrigerator as well. All right, so here's the fridge. And it goes on there too. Look at that. Try this side of my fish too. Yep. Yeah, definitely, you guys. Check these out if you guys are looking for a way to make your stickers into magnets. Very easy, very simple, very quick. It's just as easy as making them on the sticker paper. It's just a magnetic sheet. And you can add a different addition to your shop, and or if you guys are trying to figure out how to make your own magnets in general and you don't sell them, this is a great option, okay? So check the link down in the description and get you some before they sell out. Take care, stay blessed. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.